Hello friends, are you craving something sweet which is fast, fresh and full of flavor? This easy homemade peach cobbler is a perfect summer dessert you'll love. Let's make it. This is the list of ingredients you will need to make this easy dessert. Take 4 ripe peaches, wash the peachy fuzz, cut it in the center, hold it, twist it and remove the pit. Slice the peaches thin, keep the skins, trust me, they add color, character and taste. In a bowl, cream together half cup butter and a half cup sugar into soft, sugary, crumbly paste. You'll want to eat it at this point, but don't yet. To this add 1 cup of flour, 1½ teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and mix together. We are building the fluff. I find it easier to mix with my hand and incorporate everything together. To that add 1/4 cup of rolled oats. Mix together. Pour in half a cup of whole milk. Use a spatula or hand mixer, whatever is easier for you. Mix everything thoroughly. Add a splash of pure vanilla extract. I went full workout mode here and I got smooth, thick and scoopable batter. I completely nailed it. Take a deep buttered baking dish and layer those thin slices of peaches evenly as much as you can. Zest a full lemon over the peaches and squeeze in half. No sugar, no cornstarch, just pure fruit flavor. Gently press the peaches down, then plop spoonfuls of batter on top of it. Spread gently. Rustic is the goal. While spreading the batter, you will feel that the batter is very thick and unspreadable, and it's totally fine. Just try to spread the batter evenly in the baking dish, covering all the peach slices. Sprinkle about 2 teaspoons of sugar over the batter like it's fairy dust, then mist it with water using a spray bottle. This is the crispy crust magic trick nobody told you about. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit in the middle rack for 45 minutes or until you get a golden crispy crust. When the top looks golden and glassy and the edges are bubbling with peach lava, you are done. Get it out of the oven and let it cool for 30 minutes. If you knock on top of the crust, it will sound glassy. The peaches are bubbling. I know it's hard to wait, but if you dive in early, you will miss the texture magic. Scoop into a bowl. Enjoy the glassy top, the juicy peaches, and the soft crumb, and that rosy hue from the peach skin. That's the chef's love. Top it with vanilla ice cream if you are really feeling fancy, warm and cold at the same time. That's your easy, buttery, crisp peach cobbler. No stress, just summer in a dish, baked with love, served with smiles, because love goes in and out comes something worth sharing. Hope you like this and will come back for more cozy homemade desserts right here at Rooted Spoon. And enjoy. Thanks for watching.